I think one, if you have foreign investors coming in and buying a property, I think it's a disservice to the community if they just leave it and they do not rebuild it, they do not invest in it, because that could have been something that one of us could have purchased and, build into it, invest into it, build it up. But on the other hand, it's our duty to have that relationship with our aldermen, to have that relationship with our community, to not just allow things to happen to us. And so what can we do to stop that? I mean, for one, if you see a vacant property on your block, 311, there's an app. Go ahead, you can call, you can use the app, or you can go to your alderman's office directly and say, hey, I have a complaint. This vacant building has been here, is coming down, is a hazard, not only to me, but everyone in this community. And I will ask, are you doing that? Are you making those calls when you see a light is blown out? Are you making a call when there's debris all over the place? Even one step further, if you have a home, are you cleaning up outside your home? Are you cutting the grass, shoveling the snow?